Hello, my name is Maria Angelou Reroma from the grade 11 St. John Baptist de La Salle, or which is commonly known as the GA strand or the General Academic strand. So for today, I will teach you how to solve the empirical formula of a compound. Here is the first example. Find the empirical formula of the compound containing 80% carbon and 20% hydrogen. So basically, the given compound is the 80% carbon and 20% hydrogen. So first thing is we have to write first the carbon, which is 80 gram carbon. Note that we have to convert the grams to the percent to grams. And after that, we have to times it to 1 mole carbon. After that, we have to divide it to carbon's atomic weight. You can find the atomic weight in the periodic table of elements. So the atomic weight of carbon is 12 gram carbon. In this situation, we have to cancel out the same units so that we won't have a lot of units. So we have to cancel this and here. So after that, you have to divide the numbers because 80 times 1 is equals to 1 and 80 divided by 12 is equals to 6.67 mole carbon. So now we have to find the second compound, which is the hydrogen. So we have to repeat the same steps as we did in the carbon. So we have to write 20 gram hydrogen times 1 mole hydrogen over its atomic weight. The atomic weight of hydrogen is 1 gram hydrogen. In this situation again, we have to cancel out the same units so that we won't have a lot of units. So 20 times 1 is equals to 20. 20 divided by 1 is 20. So the answer is 20 mole hydrogen. Now for this, you have to look here and you need to find the smallest amount of number. So 6.67 is lower than 20, so 6.60 we have to divide the 6.67 to itself and to the 20 mole. 6.67 is equals to 1, while the 20 divided by 6.67 is equals to 3. Note that you have to round off some numbers so that you have the exact empirical formula. So the empirical formula for this compound is C, since we have to find that, C1 and H3. Here is another example. A compound is found to contain 24.7% calcium, 1.2% hydrogen, 14.8% carbon, and 59.3% oxygen. What is the empirical formula of the compound? So first, like the first example, we have to write the first given element, and that is the calcium. So we have to write it down, 24.7 calcium. Note that we have to convert the percent to the grams so that we have units. So after that, we have to times it to 1 mole calcium over its calcium's atomic weight. Calcium's atomic weight is 40. You can look it at the periodic table of elements. So at this situation, again, we have to cancel out the same units so that we don't have a lot of units. So we have to solve at this now. 24.7 times 1 is equals to 24.7. 24.7 divided by 40 is equals to 0.6 mole carbon. Rather than calcium. Don't forget to round off if needed. So the second one is the hydrogen. So we have to write it down again. Multiplied by 1 mole hydrogen over its atomic weight, which is 1 gram hydrogen. Again, we have to cancel out the same units and times it by itself. At this one, it is common sense that the answer is still 1.2 mole hydrogen. The next one is the carbon. So we have to write it down. 14.8 grams carbon multiplied by 1 mole carbon over its atomic weight. Carbon's atomic weight is 12 gram carbon. Again, we have to cross out the same units and then you can now solve it. 14.8 times 1 is equals to 1 divided by 12 is equals to 1.2 mole carbon. And the last one is the oxygen, which is 59.3 grams. Oxygen multiplied by 1 mole oxygen divided by its atomic weight. Oxygen's atomic weight is 16. So we have to divide it and cancel the same units. 59.3 grams oxygen times 1 mole oxygen is equals to 1 divided by 16 is equals to 3.7 mole oxygen. Like the first example, the next thing we do is to look out in the answers. At this point, we have to look for the smallest number, which is 0.6, and divided it to all the answers. So 0.6 divided by itself is equals to 1. 1.2 divided by 0.6 is equals to 2, and 0.6 again is equals to 2, and 3.7 is equals to 6. Note that you have to round off these numbers so that we have the exact empirical formula. And now the answer for our empirical formula is Likewise, we have to first write the nitrogen first, which is 40.90 grams nitrogen. And we have to multiply it to 1 mole oxygen, and we have to divide it by the atomic weight of nitrogen, which is 14 grams nitrogen. So this again we have to cross out the same units, and we have to solve it. 40.90 times 1 is equals to 40.90 divided by 14 is equals to 0.4 grams, and then more oxygen. So the second one is the oxygen, which is 11.2 grams oxygen times 1 mole oxygen divided by oxygen's atomic weight, which is 16. And right now we have to cross out the same units again and solve it. 11.2 times 1 is equals to 11.2 divided by 16 is equals to 0.7. At this rate again, we will have to look at the smallest number, which is the 0.4. So 0.4 divided by itself is equals to 1, while 0.7 divided by 0.4 is equals to 2. Note that you have to round it off so that you have the exact empirical formula. So the empirical formula for this compound is N2.
And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to support this video by liking and reacting for educational purposes only. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you learned something from me, and thank you so much for watching.